all my lecture series of operating system. In today's video, we are going to see about one case study on process states. So already we know that what is the process and what are all the process states in every process. So the process is a program in execution. Now I will tell one problem statement. Can you explain the process states in the web server? So already daily we are using that web server. So the where that process states are designed for the web server. This is the problem statement. So what is the background of that means the web server is a program that manages the multiple client requests concurrently. When a client requests the web page, the server creates a new process to handle the request. This is the normal flow, normal background of any request of a web page. So the web server creates the new process for the client request. Before that, I recap that what are all the states of the process. So each process have the 5 states. One is the new, the process is being created in the new state. Next is the ready state. In the ready state, the process is waiting to be assigned to a processor. And third one is the running. The instructions are being executed in the processor. Next, fourth one is a terminated. Once there is no interrupt, directly the running process go to the terminated stage. That is, the process has finished the execution. So in between you have any interrupt in a process means it goes to the waiting state. So in the waiting state, the process is waiting for some event to occur. The event, it may be the interrupt or any IO devices request. So this is the process state diagram for 5 states. One is the new state, is the process created state. One is created, it is admitted into the ready queue, that is the ready state. So after from the ready queue, the CPU select the process and executed in the memory, that is in the running state. Running state, the process is being executed. So after it completing its execution, it goes to the terminated states. So in between we have any interrupt means it goes to the waiting state. After that interrupt is completed, it goes to the ready state. From the ready it go to the running state. So from the ready to running, the scheduler dispatch the process to the processor. So this is the state diagram of the process. Now we will see how the client request is handled in our web page request. Suppose the client requests the web page that requires the access to any database means the web server creates a new process to handle the request and moves it to the ready state. So when the CPU is available, the process is moved to the running state where it executes the necessary code to access the database. This is the normal flow of 4 states, that is a new, ready, running and terminated. Suppose the data is currently busy handling another request means the process is moved to the waiting state. So the database is busy means the process is moving to the waiting state. Once the database becomes available, the process is moved back to the running state where it completes the task. So after completing its task, the process is moved to the zoomy state, waiting for its parent process to acknowledge its termination. So that is a zoomy state, is another state. So after completing its task, the process is moved to the zoomy state and waiting for its parent process to acknowledge its termination. Once the parent process is acknowledged the termination, it goes to the dead state and is removed from the system. This is the flow of process states for in the web server. Suppose the client requests the database means the web server creates the new process to handle the request. Suppose and move to the ready state, and in the suppose the database is busy means it goes to the waiting state. So if it is available means it goes to the running state. After completing the process, it goes to the zoomy state. That state it waiting for the parent's acknowledgement. Suppose the parent process is acknowledged for its termination means it goes to the dead state. So this is the process states in the web server. So I hope that you will understand what is the process states for the client request any request in the web server. Means the web server move the client process from the 5 states. Thank you.